the Angels. Vanessa here for Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with another project share from the hashtag one word collab with Millie the Silent Crafter and Vanessa Angel Rose Designs. Okay, and we do Mondays and Fridays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But there was a project that we didn't finish up on Monday, so we continued it to Tuesday, October 26th. Okay, and this is one of the projects that I started but didn't finish on Monday night. So I finished it on Tuesday night, October 26th. And I put some little scrolls here on my Merry Christmas sign here. This paper here, the printable is from Decorate Your Life. I will try to link everything down below in the comment section. And this paper here is from Tsunami Rose. Now this is a greeting card, but they can also use it as a journaling greeting card. Okay, and I left this little piece in here just in case they want to journal on here instead of here when they give it to someone. Okay, and next I made an envelope to fit the card here. Same digital printable as this from Decorate Your Life. See, all I did was took one 8.5 by 11, measured it to my card here, and then took the front part of the envelope, took another 8.5 by 11 with the same photo here, just laid my envelope and went around the envelope and just trimmed around, and it fit perfectly. So that's that. And I also made, this is going to be a journaling tag. I don't have the journaling paper on the back yet, but it's going to be the same paper as in here, because you see this will fit perfectly on here to make my journaling tag. Okay, so I'm gonna do that on another video. So then I decided to make an ATC journaling card. Same Decorate Your Life here, Tsunami Rose here, and with the Decorate Your Life paper or printable, I made myself an envelope to fit the ATC card. But I can also use it as a pocket. If I trim it down in the middle, I can use it as a double pocket. So this is my project share for hashtag one word collab, hashtag Millie the Silent Crafter, hashtag Vanessa Angel Rose Designs. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Thank you all for your support. Thanks for watching. I will see you all on the flip side in the next video, and on the flip side. Please be crafty, be safe, be caring, be loving. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.